Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best vacuum for car detailing. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. The BISSELL Garage Pro Wall-Mounted Wet-Dry Vacuum and Blower. Designed for powerful performance, this 12-amp cleaning system easily handles both wet and dry messes, making it ideal for garages, cars, boats, and workspaces. Its versatile design quickly converts from a vacuum to a blower, helping you clear dust, debris, and leaves with ease. The spacious 4-gallon semi-translucent dirt tank lets you monitor debris levels, while the wall-mounted design saves valuable floor space and keeps your cleaning area organized. An extra-long hose stretches up to 32 feet, providing excellent reach around vehicles and large work areas without constantly moving the unit. The included 7 attachments allow effective cleaning on carpets, upholstery, bare floors, and hard-to-reach corners. Lightweight, practical, and easy to use, this system delivers dependable cleaning power for a wide range of tasks. Number 4. The Armor All AA255W Wet/Dry Utility Vac is a compact and versatile cleaning solution designed for tackling everyday messes at home, in the garage, or inside your vehicle. Powered by a strong 2-peak HP motor, it delivers reliable suction for both wet and dry debris, making cleanup fast and efficient. Its durable 2.5-gallon polypropylene tank offers the ideal balance of capacity and portability, while the integrated handle and wheelbase make transportation effortless. This utility vacuum also converts into a blower, allowing you to clear leaves, dirt, and debris from driveways, garages, and vehicle surfaces. Convenient onboard storage keeps the hose, cord, and accessories neatly organized and within easy reach. Equipped with 13 useful accessories, including extension wands, brushes, nozzles, and filters, it adapts to a wide range of cleaning tasks. Built for convenience and performance, it helps keep spaces clean with minimal effort. Number 3. The RIDGID 50313 Model 4000 RV Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner delivers professional-grade cleaning performance in a compact and portable design. Powered by a robust 5.0 peak HP motor, this versatile vacuum provides impressive suction and blowing power, making it ideal for garages, workshops, vehicles, and job site cleanup. Despite its compact 4-gallon capacity, it offers performance comparable to much larger vacuums while remaining easy to transport and store. Designed with convenience in mind, the vacuum includes onboard storage for all accessories, ensuring everything stays organized and within reach. The rugged locking hose helps prevent accidental disconnections during use, while the included car nozzle, noise diffuser, and fine dust filter enhance cleaning efficiency across different surfaces. RIDGID's innovative quick lock filter system allows fast filter changes without tools, saving valuable time. An extra-long 20-foot power cord provides extended reach, making large cleaning tasks more comfortable and efficient. Number 2. The Vacmaster Professional Beast Series Wet/Dry Vacuum is built to deliver powerful cleaning performance for demanding jobs in garages, workshops, vehicles, and construction sites. Featuring a durable 5-gallon polypropylene tank and a strong 5.5 HP motor, this professional-grade vacuum is designed to handle both wet and dry messes with ease. Its portable design allows for convenient movement around work areas while maintaining the power needed for tough cleanup tasks. Equipped with a high-quality 1 7/8-inch hose, the vacuum provides strong airflow and efficient debris collection, making it suitable for dust, dirt, liquid spills, and larger debris. The combination cartridge and foam filtration system helps maintain reliable performance across a variety of cleaning applications. Whether you're detailing a vehicle, cleaning a workshop, or tackling job site debris, the Vacmaster Beast Series offers dependable durability, strong suction, and versatile functionality to help keep your workspace clean and organized. Number 1. The THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner is a compact and powerful handheld cleaning tool designed for effortless interior car detailing. Built for convenience and portability, it connects directly to a 12V car outlet, ensuring consistent power whenever you need to clean your vehicle. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, while the strong suction motor effectively removes dust, crumbs, sand, and pet hair from even hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with a 16-foot power cord, this vacuum allows you to reach every corner of your car, including the back seats. And trunk, without restriction. The included 3 attachments, flathead, extendable, and brush nozzle, provide versatile cleaning options for different surfaces and tight spaces. A washable HEPA filter helps trap fine dust particles for a cleaner interior environment. With its ergonomic design and handy storage bag, this car vacuum cleaner is a practical solution for keeping your vehicle neat, fresh, and well-maintained wherever you go.